Uh-oh, here comes the boss, guys.
Hi! I love it! It
Told
looks
you would.
fantastic! I like it better than when I picked it out. It's beautiful.
Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Virgin, New York. We've just finished up an install of white ice polished granite. No seams on this job. We did have a large island, had to come down some stairs. What do you guys think of your new countertops?
I love it.
It's gorgeous.
It is.
What do you think of the process picking out your top at our place?
Very good. Easy. Lots of material to pick from.
What do you think your overall fit and fabrication quality?
100% beautiful.
And about how long ago did you pick this out?
About a week and a half.
Okay, and here we are on a Saturday, so about a week and a half turnaround time from the time you picked it out to us having it installed. Yeah, we really appreciate your business. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.